Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a very quick tutorial on flicker reduction and how that affects your frames per second speed on the X-T2 or X-T3, possibly some other Fujifilm cameras, but those are the two cameras that I have, so that's what I'm going to talk about this time. So let's get to it. Alright, so these were the conditions. I was on assignment indoors and under fluorescent lighting. So in my X-T3 menu, I went down and I turned flicker reduction mode on. And let me just read you what that says from the manual here. So flicker reduction, select on to reduce flicker in pictures and the display when shooting under fluorescent lighting and other similar lighting sources. And then below that, it also says enabling flicker reduction disables electronic shutter and increases the time needed to record pictures. And that's what caught me up later in the day, because I didn't know that at the time. I didn't know that when you turn that on it would increase the time needed to record pictures. So later on, when I was photographing my puppy outside and it was supposed to be 11 frames per second, it was shooting like 4 or 5 frames per second. And I didn't notice this earlier when I was inside because I wasn't necessarily shooting 11 frames per second on this assignment. So when I was shooting my puppy, I wanted that full out 11 frames per second, and I was probably getting like 4 or 5, I don't know. So this is what it sounds like with flicker reduction on, so you guys can hear this. Pretty slow. So let me show you where it is. So go in your menu, go down to camera. It's in that first page there, and down. In the X-T2, it's more in the middle, and X-T3, it's farther down in that first page. And then flicker reduction, turn that off. And this is what it should sound like. This is the full 11 frames per second. Oh yeah, so there we go. Hammer down with that. It took me a little bit to figure it out. I wasn't sure what was going on. So that was why if you ever turn your flicker reduction off, or I'm sorry, if you ever turn it on, and your frames per second slow down and you wonder why, that is why. It's because you turned it on. So make sure to turn that off later on and you get your full frames per second speed back. So there it is. Alright, thanks so much for watching everybody. Please subscribe and please like, and hope to see you next time. Alright, bye.